Today I am super excited to be checking out this 2019 Audi RS5. So what exactly are we looking at here? Tell me about the car.
Pretty basic Sportback.
How long have you had it for?
Just about a year. Came from an RS3, so it's just something a little bit bigger, a little bit, you know, more fun.
Okay, you like it better than the RS3?
Oh, absolutely. So much more space, especially with being in the restaurant business. Just gives me more space to, you know, haul some product around with. So
yeah, for sure. Is anything done to it, or is it just a stock car?
Basically stock. We're doing APR, or it's got APR stage 1 on it right now, with some mid pipe, so it's a little bit louder than normal.
Are you doing anything more to it soon?
Yeah, no, we're sending it into Worldwide Import Automotive, you know, here in Traverse, and we're getting the high pressure fuel pump stage 1 plus, and then going full E85.
Do you know like what kind of power it makes right now?
Right now with the tune, it makes about 500 horsepower and then 550 pound-feet of torque.
Okay, that sounds fun.
It's fun. Yeah, you'll see.
All right, what is your favorite thing about the car?
The Sportback, 100%. It just looks sleek, looks good, looks awesome, and then on top of that, just the sound of it. I mean, it's a V6, but at the end of the day, it sounds amazing. So
yeah, that's sweet. Do you have plans to get a different car in the future, or are you going to stick with this?
Looking at building this thing up for a little bit and then looking to get into an RS6.
Oh, sweet. What options does this have if it's not just like base?
So it's got carbon optics. This car is missing quite a lot of stuff. That's why I got, you know, a pretty good deal on it. But
okay.
Everything is pretty basic, dynamic package, you know, carbon optics, but missing just stupid little things that I don't worry about. But
yeah.
So I don't know what MSRP on it was, but probably around 90.
As far as the interior with tech and stuff, is there quite a bit of technology in the car? What's your favorite thing about that?
So I mean, it's got a lot of tech. That's why I went with this one. I was talking to you previously. I was gonna go with a C7 RS7, but the tech was just not there for me.
Okay.
I mean, it's not as techy as the newer ones, but I mean, it still has, you know, top-down camera, a bunch of stuff. So I mean, it's enough tech for me. I'm very simple, so a lot of tech for me.
If you could change anything on the car, is there something you don't like that you would change?
Yeah, I like the Audi MMI system, but I'd rather touchscreen. So that's
okay.
It's the one thing I want a touchscreen. That's it. I mean, other than that, everything's perfect. I love this car to death. So
sweet, that's awesome.
Absolutely.
So for this car, as it sits, how much money do you have into it?
So I bought the car for $60 flat. Got a really good deal on it. After just normal like paint stuff and whatever else, I've probably put a good $5-6 grand into it so far. So
okay,
still got room to play with. So
yeah.
we're gonna have some fun with it.
Did you paint it this color?
Oh, absolutely not. No, just like, you know, paint correction, ceramic coat, stuff like that.
Gotcha.
No, absolutely not. No, this is just factory Nardo.
All right, well, shall we take it on a spin?
Absolutely, let's go.
Let's do it. Nice little rumble.
Should we stick her in dynamic mode for fun?
Dynamic, yeah, that's the highest mode there is, right?
Oh my god, we're having fun.
Your goal can be to scare me.
Goal is to scare you. I like this goal.
Let's see what it's got.
Let's go. It's got crackles, pops, all that fun stuff.
Nice. So what's the fastest you've ever gone in this car?
Oh goodness, 150.
Okay.
150. Yeah. I mean, it's still dangerous.
That's fast.
It's
I mean,
dangerous.
once you get to 150, it's scary.
It's like a whole different level of fear.
Yeah.
That sets in. But
I love the feeling of these cars.
Oh my god, I know, it's awesome.
Woo! Holy crap. It really hugs the road.
It does. It hugs like no other car I've ever been in my life.
Oh yeah?
I've driven a Type R on this road as well, and even that doesn't feel as flat as this. I mean, everyone talks about the Type R like it's, you know, a saint, which it is. That car's awesome.
Yeah.
But there's something about, you know, Audi suspension and just, I don't know. I think the newer Audis have that torque vectoring in the back with the diff. Yeah. That just makes it rotate.
When I rode in the RS3, it felt insane. He was flying around corners, and it did not even, it felt so solid.
They're insane.
So they're gonna do a launch?
Oh, we're doing a launch.
All right, let's see what it can do, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh man. That does not take long.
No, not at all.
Holy crap.
Quick 100, really fun.
That is amazing.
Yeah, it's 0 to jail pretty fast.
0 to jail.
But it's still not, that's why I'm going 85. It's like, it's fast, but like it's not fast enough. I mean, I was telling you about the 550, like that thing was just like undrivable.
Oh yeah.
And this is also pretty close to undrivable, but
wow. Was that with launch control?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
got the factory Audi launch control. I mean, it's not launch control. Audi doesn't say it's launch control, but it's launch control.
That is awesome.
They sugarcoat that.
That launch is so good though.
We're going back on that road. I need to do some quarters. And it not being a dual clutch, like it just shifts so fast.
Do you always just drive it in auto, or do you use the manual shifters, the paddle shifters?
Depends on if I'm trying to get eyes on me or not, which usually is how it is. That's why usually why I drive this thing. So some people look at me.
Yeah. I love those little pops.
Oh, it's so fun, especially like the ZF, like the trans.
Yeah.
Like the farting, some people call it.
Yeah. Oh man. That is fast. That's quick.
It's quick. It's quick. Like we'll do an 80. Wait, no, we're going the speed limit. We're
Yeah, right.
Like it still pulls. All right, now we'll do some quartering for you.
Oh my gosh.
Woo.
Oh.
It just grips.
Oh, that's incredible. Oh my goodness.
Why is it that flat?
Oh.
All right.
Just don't kill me.
That's the goal.
Yeah, the goal is to scare me, right?
The goal is to scare, not kill. If we kill, I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Holy crap. Oh.
It's an adrenaline.
Going around a corner at triple the recommended speed.
It's fine. It's good. I mean,
it's amazing.
That's what it is. It's a recommendation.
I love it.
I love it so much.
It's
It's
yeah.
an adrenaline rush.
It is. That is nuts.
I've never done that before. I've never done that.
That was
and
insane.
That fast. I don't even know what I was at. It's got
Yeah.
the massaging seats in it too. It's just
What?
Yeah,
Massaging seats?
Did you know that? Like,
No.
find the button on the side. You'll find it.
No way.
It's on the. There you go. That one. It'll massage you.
Oh my
Isn't that
gosh.
crazy?
It's massaging seats.
That's the fun part. It's like on road trips when I do that. It keeps me awake.
Now I have to buy one of these cars just for the seats.
Oh my god, do it. Yeah. I mean,
Well, thanks for the ride. I appreciate it.
Of course, dude. Thanks for coming along with me.